So folks, in today's video, I'll show you how to use a Scotch thermal laminator. Now I'm going to be using the Scotch TL906 and I'll leave a link to this laminator right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Now here's a first tip before we even get started. Don't skimp on cheaper laminating pouches. It really makes a big difference to get good quality laminating pouches, such as this one from Scotch. This is the one I prefer. I'm using the 3mm version, which is the thinner version, and I really feel it's definitely worth investing in good quality laminating pouches to get the best results. And again, if you're looking to buy these, I'll leave a link right below the video, so feel free to check that out. To begin the lamination process, I'm going to turn on the machine by pressing the power button, and you can see the green LED turn on to indicate that the machine is powered on. To the right of the ready indicator, you'll notice two buttons, the 3mm button and the 5mm button, and this allows you to choose your heat setting based on which thickness of pouch you use. Now I'm using the 3mm pouch, so I'm going to press the 3mm button, and once you've done that, the machine takes a little while to heat up. This specific machine takes about 5 minutes to heat up. Now if you're looking for a machine that's quicker than this, there are options and I'll leave links below. And while we wait for the machine to heat up, let's put our document into the sleeve. Now I'm doing a black and white chart here, and this is a tap and drill chart that I want to laminate. Now each laminating sleeve will have a closed or sealed end and an open end. So you want to separate the open end so it opens out like a book. And then I'm going to place the document inside the sleeve. Doesn't matter where just yet. Then close the sleeve up and you can actually see the document. And what I'm going to do, just to ensure it's lined up nice and straight, is I'm going to put my fingers inside the sleeve and I'm going to push the document as far in as I can so it kind of straightens out against that sealed or closed edge, which is what I want. And that kind of helps to square the document up with the actual sleeve. And a few minutes later, you'll notice the ready LED turns green, which lets you know that the machine is warmed up and ready to go. And then I'm going to insert the sleeve with the document in it into the paper tray on the back. And I'm going to insert the sealed end first. So let's insert that into the machine. And you'll notice the machine kind of gently pulls it in and begins to laminate the document. And as you can see, the nicely laminated document gently rolls out of the machine. And once it's done, you can gently pull it out. Now, if for some reason your film is thicker or your document's a little thicker and it gets stuck in the machine at the end, there's a release button up here. You want to push it up and then pull the document out, and that will release the document from the machine. So let's try one more. I'm going to place the document into the sleeve. Again, I've closed the sleeve up and lined it up as best as I can. And let's insert the sleeve with the document on it into the paper tray. The sealed end goes in first. And again, as you can see, the laminated document gently rolls out the front. And as you can see, again, it's a perfectly laminated document, absolutely no bubbles or deformations. And this is really the value of getting good quality sleeves, as I mentioned earlier in the video. So folks, this is all it takes to laminate documents at home using a Scotch laminator. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll leave links to this laminator and pouches for it right below the video, so feel free to check that out. And I really hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a big thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.